Hey, it's Peter Swales here with Stendal Realty Group. And if you're a homeowner in Carlsbad or anywhere else in North County, this is a really important market update for you. Because the market has shifted a bit since the first quarter, not in a dramatic way, but in a way that definitely affects how you should approach selling. I just went through the latest housing report, and the best way to describe the market right now is this: it's not hot, but it's not slow. It's just more balanced. That means strategy matters a lot more now than it did even 60 days ago. One of the biggest changes we've seen is the pace of the market. In the first quarter, homes were moving a little faster. Now, the average time it takes to sell has gone from about 71 days to around 84 days. What does that actually mean? Homes are still selling, but buyers aren't rushing. They're taking a little more time and looking at a few more homes and being more selective. The other big shift is inventory. We've seen more homes hit the market over the past few weeks, and that's pretty typical as we move into the spring and summer. But for sellers, this is important. You're no longer competing with the homes that were sitting in March. You're now competing with new listings coming on every single day. That's going to continue all the way through July. So standing out has become a bigger deal. Now, on the demand side, buyers are still out there. We're not seeing a drop off in activity, but we're also not seeing a surge. What we are actually seeing is a shift in buyer behavior. Buyers today are more cautious, they're more price sensitive, and they're paying close attention to condition and value. They're not overpaying unless the home really justifies it. This is where pricing becomes critical. Right now, the market isn't moving at one speed, it's got multiple speeds depending on the price point. Homes under 1.5 million are still moving pretty well. But as you get into the higher price points, things do slow down. And if a home is overpriced, it's going to just sit. It's that simple. So pricing right from day one is probably more important now than it has been all year so far. Specifically here in Carlsbad, it's still one of the strongest markets in North County. That hasn't changed. But even here, buyers have more choices. Homes are taking a little longer if they're not dialed in, and first impressions matter even more. The homes that are selling right now are the ones that are priced right, show well, and are marketed correctly from the start. And across North County, it really varies by area. Encinitas is still strong, especially near the coast. Oceanside has become a bit more balanced with more inventory. Vista and San Marcos, if priced right, are still moving fast. And in Escondido, buyers are active, but definitely value focused. So there's no one size fits all market right now. The bottom line is that the market hasn't turned against sellers, it's just more balanced. Buyers have a little more leverage than they did earlier this year, but homes that are priced right and positioned correctly are still selling. If you're thinking about selling in Carlsbad or anywhere in North County, the key right now is to have a solid strategy going in. If you want to know what this looks like for your specific home, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to walk you through the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next update. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more market updates.